Here's how to make your iPhone never turn off so the screen stays on permanently. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Display and Brightness. This is where your iPhone controls your screen timeout. Now tap Auto Lock. By default, your phone may be set to 30 seconds, 1 minute, or 2 minutes. Select Never. Your iPhone screen will now stay on permanently until you lock it yourself. This is perfect for reading recipes, following guides, keeping maps open, using your phone as a display. If Auto Lock is grayed out, go to Settings, Screen Time, Content and Privacy Restrictions, Turn Off. Then return and try again. And that's it. Your iPhone will no longer turn off by itself. If this helped, drop a like and check out my other iPhone tips.